Hey, I'm Gary Striegler, and I'm here at the Marc School of Woodworking doing one of my favorite projects because it is so practical and yet it's just a lot of fun. This is a nice little storage cabinet, but it's more than that. It's actually a door too. And I have lots and lots of clients who want this because they might have a closet door in their entryway that they would much rather see this cabinet than a closet. I've had some people put gun safes behind them, just lots of different things, and they're lots of fun. The secret to the whole thing is just this simple pivoting hinge. One mounts to the floor, one mounts to the top, and this will hold up, I want to say it's 300 pounds or more, but probably don't want to quote me on that. It's from Custom Service Hardware, and it's called the Invisidor Hinge Kit. But it's a lot of fun, works really smoothly, and you can do both an outswing like this one or an inswing. These are so much fun. I've got one in my own house. Now, this is kind of a little bit of a, what would the word be, a disclaimer. The only thing is, everybody knows where my secret door is because my grandkids show everyone that comes in the door exactly where the secret door is. So this is my last class for this year. We're about to finish things up. But I'm really excited to say that Marc's going to have me back next year for the 30th anniversary, where we're going to do a lot of amazing things. And I truly feel honored that Marc's actually asked me back. This is one of the most incredible experiences that I get to have every year. Marc runs an unbelievable school.